Stop raising my eyebrows. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another quick eyeshadow tutorial, this time using the Soft Glam palette. It's another one of my favorite palettes. I can determine if something is my favorite by how often I use it and how far away I keep it. What I mean is any palette that is in my vanity, my pull-out drawer, then it's usually my favorite because I'm constantly reaching for it. This is definitely one of those. I absolutely love the colors in this palette. They're all colors that I use. I've used every single one of them. I've been able to create some pretty amazing looks with this, not only everyday looks, but nighttime looks, going out looks, any look. I do love it. I feel like I've really gotten my money's worth using this palette. This is the look that I came up with, and this is the look that I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look, super easy. I hope you guys stick around. Okay, so let's get started. These are the brushes that I'm using today. I don't know why I have 8 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 today. Interesting. Normally I use like 4 or 5, but these are the brushes that I'm going to use today. This first brush is an e.l.f. It's called the Eyeshadow C brush. I'm actually going to use this brush for my base to lie the product down over my whole lid. Then I have my fluffy brush. This one is the Crown C511 brush. So I'm going to use this one for my transition shade. Then I am going to use my No Name MAC brush to get into that crease. Then I will be blending out the edges with my Crown C460 blending fluff. To apply any shimmer, I am using my MAC 213 brush. To apply any shimmer right here to my brow bone, I am using the Morphe M124 brush. It almost looks like my MAC brush, but it's a little skinnier, so it's nice for right here on that brow bone. This Morphe M56 brush for right in here. I haven't decided if I'm going to put any color on my bottom lash, but if I do, then I'm going to be using this brush, and this one is the Sonia Kashuk Tools number 31. I think I got this one on clearance, so I don't even know if she still sells it. So yeah, let's get started. First up, I am going to use this color right here. This color is Tempera. Apply it all over my lid like so. I just really like to have something down. I don't use primer on my lid. I just use whatever concealer I have left over from underneath my eye. Okay, that's it with that color. I'm telling you, my eyeshadow looks are super easy. The next color I'm going in with is this color right here. It's called Dusty Rose. I really like this color. I actually wish there were a few more colors like that in this palette. It's just a really pretty color. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade, and I'm using my Crown C511 brush and just put that in the crease.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen.
Now I'm actually going in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend the edges. It would be totally fine leaving my shadow just like this, maybe adding a little bit of shimmer, but I'm going to continue. Now I am going to use this color, which is Cypress Umber. I'm using my No Name MAC brush, and I'm just going to put that on the corner of my lid.
That's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Once I feel like they're even, I'm going back in with my fluffy blending brush and then just blending out those edges. now that I have that color applied, I'm going in with this color right here. This one is called Rose Pink, and I'm using my MAC 213 brush. I'm just going to apply that right on the inside corner of my lid. I just pick up the product and I honestly just pat it down like so. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M124 brush and I'm going to take this color Fairy and just pick up a little bit and then put it right on my brow bone like so. Just a little bit. Like not even a lot. I'm going to apply some liner. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Trooper Black. This is my second favorite to the Stila. So I kind of go between the two. All right, let's do this. Okay. Let me put on some lashes. Eyelashes on and look is done. I am serious. I am so serious when I tell you that my eyeshadow looks are always really simple. I just don't feel like I need to take all of that time. Even though people in my family would probably say that I still do take a long time to get ready. Like an hour and a half. You gotta tell me that I need to be, no, actually that doesn't work either. I just do what I do. That's just what it is. So anyways, not only do I like the colors in the palette, but I just like that it's compact, it's easy to travel. I will stack a few of these in my bag when I travel just so that it gives me some options. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I hope that you guys are able to duplicate it. I hope you guys get something from this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to take this makeup journey with me. And I think that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.